Hello YouTubers and welcome back to part 2. This has been soaking for 1 day in the thing. Now I'm going to grab them out and see how much rust has gone. Now looking at them, there is a little bit of rust, but I think this one's a lot better than it was. Here's the next one. Yeah, well, most of the rust has gone off this one. Here's the next one. There's still a little bit of rust there, but it seems to most of it gone. That's a lot better. Oh yeah, sorry guys, let me just fold you down. Here's the next one, guys. Looks a little better. Yeah, that one looks a little better as well. They all look a bit better actually. There's less rust than them. Less rust than these as well. Less rust than that. Oh, there's less rust than that as well. That was really rusty last time. Less rust. And that's all of it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this experiment on these Allen keys, and goodbye.